would like to speak this much only.
Yash, are you there, Yash? Deep? Okay, okay, continue. Ayushman Nayak?
Yeah, I'm there. Good afternoon, everyone. So, the social issue I want to address is the change in education system of our country. Well, the schools are still focusing on theoretical knowledge rather than practical knowledge that will take students ahead in life. This even promotes students study just to get marks and to pass the exams, but they never try to study to learn or to create something new. So we need a change in that policy and we need to implement some strict changes. So that's
Alek? Alek Kumar Pareda, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
My topic is about depression. Depression is a common mental health problem causing people loss of mood, interest, and pleasure, and persist feeling guilty and sadness. Thank you.
Okay, Pravivik? Pravivik, are you there?
Hello. Yes, yes.
Yes, Pravivik. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Pravik, and my topic is impact of COVID-19 on people's livelihood, with their health and our food systems. COVID-19 pandemic has led a dramatic loss on human life worldwide, presents an challenge for the public health, food systems, and world war. The economic and social disruption caused in the pandemic is devastating, and millions of people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty, with undernourished people, and the pandemic has and there is some points like the pandemic has been affecting the entire food system and had led a bare of fragility. Border closures, trade restrictions, confinement zones, and preventing farmers from accessing markets, including buying inputs from selling to produce, and agricultural workers from harvesting up, thus disrupting domestic and international food supply chains. So that's the reason. Thank you.
Ankit, are you there, Ankit? Okay. Okay. Anjali? Anjali Priya Gupta, are you there? She's not here. Okay. Sai Shri?
Yes, Anjali. Sorry, Anushka. So, hey everyone. So, the motion of my topic goes this way: is cosmetic testing on animals justified? There are few claims that animals getting sacrificed for the safety of the products is reasonable, but according to me, it's not. So, I'll be giving a prolonged discussion later. Thank you.
Okay. Upasana?
Yeah.
Are you there,
Hello
Upasana?
everyone. Yeah. Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. So my topic is drug addiction. I will give
Achyu?
description.
Okay, Upasana. Achyut?
Good afternoon to all. My topic is child obesity. So I would like to highlight few points that most recent health survey for England found that 22 to 31% of 6 to 15-year-old were overweight and 10 to 17% were obese. So it is our duty, parents' duty, the management of obesity in children, which emphasizes diet and exercise as the main areas for lifestyle changes. Thank you.
Satyaranjan Das? Are you there? उपासना साई श्री दोनों बाद में देंगी स्पीच. उन्होंने सिर्फ अपना टॉपिक बताया अभी.
हाँ मैं आधा बोल रही थी तो कुछ बोल दी.
मैंने बोला?
अरे
यार सॉरी फिर मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू होगा. ओके
It's okay.
उपासना, गो अहेड. नहीं गो अहेड उपासना.
So my topic is drug addiction. In my view, the drug addiction has become a fashion, and I watch the society that without taking the challenge, the guys are surrendering themselves before the drugs. So I will give description about this topic later. Thank you.
Okay, Upasana. Satyaranjan Das, are you there? Shyam Saran, are you there? Okay, next roll number is mine. Fine. My topic is climate change. This is one of the most devastating topic humanity has ever faced. Rising sea levels, shrinking mountain glacier, ice melting faster than usual, changing in flowers and plant blooming. Due to these, our earth is getting warmer. So this social issue is as important as the rest, as it affects each and every living being on earth. And clearly this situation, this issue has been created by us. So it becomes our duty to find its solution so that we can save the living beings and the organism. Okay, thank you so much. Next is Swaraj Raul. Shivam Srivastav.
This is Shivam Srivastava and my topic is political arrogance. Political arrogance is the attitude where people do not accept others or their ideas, but think of themselves as the superior. Arrogance in leaders is one of the blockages in the development of the country. A lot of leaders think that being arrogant makes them look powerful and successful, but in long times, this same arrogance will tear the country apart if no proper action is taken on the right time.
Vishal, are you there?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so I would speak about discrimination. In our society, we are faced with many kinds of discrimination, and one cannot simply judge from one's color, race, caste, or creed about one's abilities. So we should take steps to avoid discrimination. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Okay. Nishikant.
Hello everyone. My topic is beggary.
It is a painful experience to come across beggar wherever we go, at the marketplaces, railway station, hospital, temple, even at road crossings. You will notice some people approaching you with open palms. They also ask money for food. We also see many children begging in the streets. Beggary is a major social problem in India. Thank you.
Srinath, are you there, Srinath? Sagar? He's also not here. Mihika? Mihika, are you there?
Yes.
So,
Yes, I'm here.
okay.
Okay. I'm here.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to address the social issue that is happening right now in the globe, especially in the Arabic state. That is the violence the people of Palestine and Israel, the general folks, they are facing on the basis of land and religion and some history related to these places. There is a tremendous amount of violence, especially the recent matter of Israel and Gaza. Everybody has known about it. So that is the matter I want to address here. Done. Anisha, I'm done. You can call the next one.
Okay. Subhabrata, are you there? Akanksha? Akanksha, are you there? Saswat? Saswat? Nikita? Are you there, Nikita? Sai Swarupa? Sai Swarupa, are you there? Truptiman? Are you there, Truptiman? Harshe? Nobody's here. Avishas? Raghav Ranjan? Bhumika Jena? Nobody is here. Pralab? Subhranshu? Swanu?
Yes, I am here.
Okay, Swanu, go ahead.
Hello.
Go
My
ahead.
topic name is lack of education. People with poor education are at risk from a lifetime of extensive manual work and mental health care, poor diet, living conditions, and social situations. Due to lack of education, people do not take care of themselves because they are less educated about the topic, such as family planning and good hygiene. That's all. Thank you.
Ravi? Gurman?
I am here.
Okay, go ahead, Gurman.
So my topic for today's debate is communalism. Exactly what we mean about communalism. The ideology that rises from the religious pluralism and is to be considered as a social menace is called communalism, which for me is a threat to a national integrity. It is a catalyst to political and social tensions in the state. The cause for the communalism, basically, the first and the foremost cause is historical cause, which was because of the policy of divide and rule of the British rule. The Muslims who wanted to maintain their separate identity in India, they took various steps to maintain their identity, and the first was to withdraw themselves from the other communities. The second and the second and one of the important cause is a political cause. Like election procedures also provide scope for communalism. At the time of choosing a candidate, caste and religion both play a very important role for some parts in India. The political parties to gain votes by playing the name of religion. How we can control communalism is, for me, is I think that we should ban communal parties and organization, and should rise a feeling of nationalism. We should promote the feeling of nationalism among the youngsters, and there should be separation of religion from politics. Thank you.
Avishash?
Yes. Hello, I am Avishas. And my topic is
Avishash,
the.
are
Yes,
you
hello.
there?
Yeah, I'm here. Hello, I am Avishas, and my topic is the social status of Adivasis. It's very sad to say that the earliest inhabitants of Indian subcontinent are not having a stable social status in our society. After the Indo-Aryan invention, they were almost nowhere in the headline for their deeds. The major thing that lack among them is motivation. After Birsa Munda, there was no one who could help them uplift their status. They are happy to be least engaged in any social activity, which slowly draw a line between them and other. A major part of their group is fed and grown by the females instead of male head of family, as they are infamous for stealing the hard-earned money by their wife and invested in on cheap and unhealthy drinks and even gambling. So this is the reason why I think that being a citizen of Jharkhand, it is my major concern. Thank you.
Akash?
Yes, just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. My topic is today is poverty and homelessness. Poverty and homelessness are worldwide problems. According to the Habitat for Humanity, 1/4 of the world population lives in conditions that harm their health and safety. Many do not have shelter, a basic human need for survival. This social issue also goes beyond 25% of the population directly affected. Because of the lack of the shelter for this vulnerable population, there is a greater stress on government and social programs, including schools and health care systems. At last, I just want to say that people should step up and help these people to prevent such conditions. Thank you.
Aisha?
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is poverty. Poverty is a critical phase where a person struggles hard in order to arrange his basic needs. The issue of poverty is high in undeveloped and developing countries. It also forces children to work in dangerous professions in order to earn a living for their families. Absolute poverty is a phase where a person has no resource by which he can fulfill his basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter. That's it. Thank you.
Kuljeet? Are you there, Kuljeet? Harish? Ayushman Rath? Ayushman? Ishi?
Yes, my topic is unemployment. Unemployment is one of the major social issue which is in our country, and it is due to many factors such as uh, poor educational facilities and population overexplosions and geographical immobility and these all things. So we have to work how to reduce this unemployment and prepare our generation to get jobs, which will also help in increase in our economy and our social and in our living lifestyles. Thank you.
Kamal? Are you there, Kamal Nayan? Kirti Kiran? You there, Kirti Kiran? Manish Kumar Pradhan. Manish. Supran. Amitya Vikram. Manish Kumar Saw, are you there? Tejas Modi. Subhash.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay,
My topic
Subhash,
is
go
media
ahead.
propaganda. Media uses propaganda as a means to promote a particular political cause or a point of view, or to maintain the viewer attention. Who owns a media outlet often determines the things such as the type of social problem that are presented and how dramatically the problems are presented. Today, media uses the rumors, argument, half-truth, or lies to influence the public opinion and play the sentiments of the people. Few days ago, I was watching the TEDx talks in YouTube. In that show, there is a Sardar. I don't remember his name. He's telling his life story. He was in jail for 5 to 6 years due to the fake charges by a girl that he molested her. Without knowing the truth, the media shows him as a molester. Thank you.
Aditya Narayan. Aditya Ranjan.
Yes,
Yeah,
my
go
topic
ahead.
is black money problem in India. Black money is a political and administrative problem. Its accumulation is the result of the evacuation of the tax like income tax, sales tax, custom duties, debt duties, etc. The hoard cannot be used for the honest business. It is used for the black market operation and donation to political parties, consumption of money and all. All this lead to black money. Thank you.
Sanatan. Sanatan, are you there? Pradipta Kumar. Pradipta Kumar. Pranab Naik. Pranab Naik. Ravi Narayan. Ashutosh Ranjan.
Yes, I am there.
Okay, go ahead, Ash.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to tell you about the social issue, which is corruption by the government officials. Today, bribe is most common way of earning extra money by the government officials. Due to this, middle class and poor people are affecting too much because they cannot afford the bribe they want. That is why either they have to die or suffer a lot due to existing problems. So this is originated due to public and can be minimized by public only by making the habit that not to take bribe or not giving bribe. Thank you.
Ayushkant. Ayushkan. Samriti.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Samriti, go ahead.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. My topic on social issues is minority exclusion. Is minority exclusion actually a thing? People don't care if you belong to a lower social group. What they care is about having the required skill set. Do minorities actually deserve reservation? For example, consider a minority family. The main earning member is the father who got the job due to reservation. But his children, after growing up, do not actually deserve that kind of job, but they'll surely get it because of reservation. And hence, the aspiration of a general candidate is gone. If everyone is treated equally, then there's no need for such a law. The old times have changed, and there's a need to change the old laws as well. Thank you.
Shubham. Shubham Swain. Are you there? Sibun. Sibun, are you there?
Today my topic is lack of storage houses for farmers. Every year, due to lack of storage house, farmers' crops are destroyed so that many of farmers have suicided. That's my topic. And later I will tell about it. That's all.
Saurav, are you there? Saurav? Saurav Deshmukh? Shubham Acharya? Sushant Dhar?
Hello,
Yes,
Anisha.
I'm there.
Okay, Shubham, you there?
Yes.
Shubham?
Yes.
Okay. First, let Shubham speak.
Okay. Today my topic is terrorism. Terrorism is the broadest sense the use of intentional violence to achieve political aims. It is used in this regard primarily to refer to violence during peacetime or in the context of war against non-combatant civilians and neutral military personnel. Thank you.
Okay. Sushant Dhar?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. My topic is religious conflicts. Religious conflicts are among the most severe social issues today. People have difference in beliefs, belonging to different religion have different views, and due to lack of education, people want to spread violence in the name of religion, and they can easily mislead illiterate people. Sometimes conflict between communities lead to violence and crime. The solution to religious violence lies only in the hands of society. So we have to become aware and spread education as much as we can. Thank you.
Swayam Jyoti?
Yes, hello. My topic is, should military training be made compulsory for all in India? Compulsory military training helps to form a reserve force which can be will be of help during the times of war and natural calamities. Compulsory military training can also make people stronger and physically and emotionally. It transforms people for good and makes people humble, disciplined, and mature. That's all for now. Thank you.
Nilesh? Are you there, Nilesh? Ashish? Oh, okay. Harshit, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Okay, Harshit, go ahead.
Good afternoon, all of you. My topic is issues related to elder people. The world population is aging globally. In India, the number of elder person was 5.8%. That is approx 25.5 million in 1961. It is in 2011. It is estimated to increase to 8.1%. That is 96 million, and which will ultimately grow to 137 million in 2022. With the joint family breaking down, especially in the urban areas where nuclear families are the trend, the aged are increasingly becoming unwelcome members in their own families. Community support based to aged is assuming greater importance. Our culture to respect elders should be again imbibed in young generations so that the aged can maintain their self-respect. Remember, the elder people should be respected. They have looked after you when they were younger, and now it is your turn to pay back. You must look after and serve your old grandparents or elder people in your family. Thank you. And Deep, that is
Kamru?
Harshay, not Harshi.
Huh? What?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, so today I'm going to speak about sanitation. So, yes, it is a serious issue that needs to be solved. More than 700 million people do not have proper toilets in their houses. Parents are afraid to send their kids to schools due to a lack of toilet facilities. Girls are kept away from schools due to this reason. This is a major step that one should take to protect others from spreading diseases, like diarrhea, dehydration, and many others. I don't want to inform more. So, this is all. I will go to the next.
Pradyumna, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will speak something about illiteracy. Illiteracy refers to the state of being unable to read or write. Illiteracy is a great hurdle for the economic development of India. Illiteracy is a scare in our national life. Millions of people in our country are still in the darkness of illiteracy and ignorance. They are deceived in every walk of life. To eradicate this problem and to bring about social, economical, and political improvements, all educational persons and students should join hands together in all possible ways. Thank you.
Abhishek? Abhishek, are you there? Okay, anyone want to speak? Anyone? Anjali, are you there? Anjali? Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anisha.
Ma'am, we are over with everyone.
Have you noted down the topics?
Yes,
with
yes,
the
ma'am.
first
I have
name?
not.
How many are there who have spoken today?
Just a minute. Ma'am, 29.
Out of 60, 29. That's a great number. Okay. Just
Yes, ma'am. Quiz is starting from tomorrow onwards.
for the other 29s, it's not starting?
Ma'am, it's quiz, ma'am. We can handle it, ma'am. You can continue the class.
Right. For the 29 students who right now spoke, was it not? Don't you have the quiz today? Don't tell me they are extraordinarily brilliant students who need preparation time. This is crap. Okay. So Anisha, just put a word in the group. Deep, their protector, their godfather. Yes, Deep also. Since you're the CR, it's your moral responsibility, Deep also. So Anisha and Deep, please put a word in the group, in your group that the deadline for submitting, for giving the topic is next Thursday. Next Tuesday. And if they don't do it, then they will not be allowed to speak. And this is a compulsory activity. It is compulsory, so all of them have to speak. And those who are not willing to speak, those who don't respond, who remain irresponsive, please let me know. I think I need to speak to their dads or their moms, whoever they are. They really care. Tell them that this is compulsory and all of them have to participate. All of them have to speak. And Deep, you need to compel them. Okay. Don't worry, I'll leave you 10 minutes before. I think I have an exam duty today at 4. So I'll leave you around 3:45. So you also get your time to prepare for your quiz, so-called quiz. But till then, we will continue with the lab. Now, since we were talking about... Yes, Anjali, I know most of them don't turn up. I don't understand. When it's time for them to speak, they don't come. So Anisha, find out how many of them have make an Excel sheet. Find out how many of them have not submitted, have not presented the photography and the picture interpretation and the debate.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But are they ready? Are they prepared?
15 students are left.
Are they prepared?
Ma'am, only 40 students are there in the class. I don't think they are prepared.
Okay. So next lab, we have the picture interpretation and the leftovers picture, the speech, and I think that's it, no? Two activity.
Yes, ma'am.
The speech and the picture interpretation. Okay. What about, okay, I did not, you have not seen the documentary, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me finish listening and I'll show you that. Now, since we were into ethics and ethical dilemma, I'll show you a video and you have to give me your responses to that, right? I'll show you a case of moral dilemma where you are pitted against a right or a wrong or both the rights and how you take a decision. So it's about taking a decision in a moral dilemma. Okay, so watch the video and give your responses to this. Is this visible? Is this? Can you see
Yes,
this?
ma'am, visible.
Ma'am, can you show the first choice part?
You want me to play it again?
Only the first choice.
Yes,
What was the first choice? It was not visible.
The first choice was Jack.
Ma'am, play it again.
Okay. Okay, I'll play it again. Tell me.
Ma'am, what if it does not do anything?
No, you have to do something. It is
He would kill his brother.
so you have to decide.
I would
And
say
then tell.
we would go with
Is there any fourth button, or we have to choose out of these four? These three.
Three.
I would say he would go with killing Jack because
After all, family is family. Even in Mahabharata, it states that people stand for their own blood first, no matter what they are or how they are. That is the nature's rule. Everybody protects their own one first.
Okay.
What about the innocent one?
Okay.
Ma'am, he does not have right to kill himself also. He does not have right to kill anyone.
But kill he must. He has to.
How he survived? He is shot by a
I have a
bullet,
silly
ma'am.
question. Can he
I
destroy
think
that
he is
device?
dead now. I think he's dead.
Yes, ma'am, there must be fourth option.
No.
Because he is
Yes,
shot by a
ma'am.
bullet, man.
He
Then
was
how
shot,
he
ma'am.
survived?
For so
Even
long.
Mains has none of this.
I do not think he is courageous enough to kill himself because, after all, he is a survival. He got shot and then he's fighting for his life. After so many of struggle, he wouldn't opt to kill himself. It takes more of a strength to kill yourself rather than killing others. That is my belief here.
Okay.
Ma'am, if he's a righteous person, then he would kill his brother.
Ma'am, kill the experiment conductor.
But that he can't do. Na.
Okay, Ishi, you want peace? Rest in peace. Tell me, all of you, everyone, see, please think. This is a case of moral dilemma.
Ma'am, the answer depends from person to person, so it all are different.
Yes, but you have to
First
justify
you say
that.
your answer, then only we'll think.
You have to justify that. No.
We'll say the correct answer, then only answer.
You should go with empathy. Put yourself in his situation.
Yeah.
Ma'am, he kills his brother, twin brother.
Okay. But they say that it's difficult because they are blood.
Ma'am, it's not difficult, but you answer it, ma'am, it will be easier.
It's not difficult, Ishi. You can kill your brother.
No, ma'am.
Even if he's a
Yes, ma'am. Simple.
criminal.
Yes, ma'am. I will
Ma'am,
kill my
if
brother.
it depends on the experience that he has faced in his life. If he does not want to live, if he want to make suicide, then he will kill himself. If he does not want his brother to live, if his brother always tried to make him insult or something like that, then he will kill his brother. And if he does not want to, does not interfere with others' life, then he will kill Jack Smith. It depends on person to person. It
Ma'am,
depends
if
on
he
the
kills
person
Jack
nature.
Smith,
मैम
then he
जस्ट सिंपल थिंग मैम,
kills
जिसको
the one
मारने से
man.
मतलब रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा तो उसी को ही मार दो, काम खत्म.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So that's his brother.
मतलब एक क्रिमिनल भी कम हो जाएगा, ड्रॉप के वजह से जितना का जान भी गया होगा, लाइफ भी बर्बाद हो गया, उनका भी इंसाफ मिल जाएगा और दुनिया से क्रिमिनल भी कम जाएगा, तो अच्छा ही होगा ना.
लेकिन स्क्रीन में तो सब कुछ मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा ना, ये कुछ भी अगर
स्टोरी तो बताया ना, वो तो स्टोरी तो बताया ना, उसके
हाँ,
बाद
लेकिन अगर फोर्स किया गया होगा उसको करने के लिए ऐसा कर, उसके बाद हम स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग कर देंगे, तो वो अगर इसको भाई को दिखा दिया गया तो वो भी
तुझे कैसे पता चला? तुझे कैसे पता चला? तू फोर्स किया था?
वन ऑफ द केस.
ओहो.
It's a judgment case. If his brother is a criminal, and it is basically a war between his own conscience and his own selfish need. He knows the right thing is to kill brother. We all do know that. But if he kills his brother, that it sounds like he's gonna lose his brother. Selfish need, and his conscience says kill his brother. Basically, it's a fight between these two, and its moral says follow your conscience, but your uh, laws and rules of your own mind says follow, do not kill your brother.
Ma'am, we can send our GPS location to police and we will act that we are going to kill our brother. In the right time, the police will come and they will arrest the criminal. The criminal will go to jail, then we will live happily.
Doesn't happen like this, Ishi. In life, you're going to face so many dilemmas.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you
Actually,
going
real
to
life problems
decide?
are far away from cinematic things.
So how are you going to decide? So this is about decision making. Yes.
So it's better to get prepared from at this age, ma'am. We will know self-defense and everything. This investigation things and how CIA works.
Yes. Scotland Yard, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I might sound very heartless while speaking this, but this world is a big war zone. Everybody is fighting their own war in their own way. And as a family, you should stick together and protect yourself because there are other hungry people to come and kill you. So keeping that in mind, protecting your own one should be your first instinct.
Mihika's other name is Dharma.
No, if I would follow Dharma, like you telling about it, I would go and kill my own brother. Okay, but
That's why I said no, your other name is Dharma.
but I can't do that now because I am a selfish person. I do not want conscience ruling me.
If Shri Krishna can do, if Arjun can do, if I can do, then why don't others? I mean, according to this question.
Okay. So which one?
Ma'am, middle button.
I would press the brother.
But killing yourself does not make any sense, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will wait.
Ma'am, middle button because no one is going to be killed.
Okay. So Jyoti, you will not kill anyone. You will not click any button.
Just wait for the situation upcoming next.
You will wait for a wildcard entry for police.
He would negotiate with the
Wildcard entry, ma'am, of police.
Okay. So we'll watch what happens.
Before killing to brother, once we have to talk to him. If his mind gets changed or something happens like that, then it's good. Or else, just headshot.
अब क्लाइमेक्स दिखाइए
Kidnapped, then how will you talk to your brother?
पता नहीं कोई एक लूपहोल होगा, ढूंढ लेंगे.
Vampire Diaries चल रहा है.
Yes, Gurman, you didn't speak anything.
I was waiting for everyone to speak that. So.
We will take smoke bomb with us, ma'am.
Arey bhai.
Real PUBG dilemma.
Okay.
I'll press the right one.
Middle button.
Hello.
What?
But Gurman, you have a brother, right? Elder brother.
Or else we will do one thing. We all are engineering students. We will apply permutation and combination, number of chances,
Yes,
and these all things. Then final one we will do.
Yes, we can do that.
Simply destroy the device.
You cannot destroy the device, no. It's against the rule.
You
will break the buttons
press
machine.
that button,
It's against
but
the
I
rule.
cannot destroy the device.
It's against the rule.
Well, this was a very simple dilemma.
Mika. That's why I said the right one, because if I said the name, then I will get a putz headshot right now.
I wish your brother was standing behind you right now.
He is actually.
Oh God.
No, this was a simple dilemma because there's not much of complications, but let's finish this. changed, Rose?
Which one played? Ma'am, which one?
Middle one.
Middle.
Middle one.
The middle button. The
Why, ma'am?
Because you have no right to kill your brother also. You have no right to kill Jack Smith. He's a stranger. But you
If the same thing Arjun would have done, I will not kill, or I will not kill my relatives. I will kill myself and I will go home.
Ma'am, but also no one has the right to kill you, no?
Yes, ma'am. Same thing.
So in the dilemma, what do you do? What do you do in the dilemma?
That's why, ma'am, I said, ma'am, we'll bring police, ma'am. Simple.
Ma'am, that's why I said, ma'am, to wait. Ma'am, what worse can happen? They will kill you.
That's why I said, ma'am, I will call to
Ma'am,
police,
in
ma'am.
Purana, it is already written that suicide is the biggest sin.
Exactly.
So you kill someone else.
Doctors
The biggest
But as compared to murder, which one is bigger sin? A murder or a suicide?
You mean murder is better?
Suicide is the biggest sin. Not by murder.
I'm not saying that murder is better. I'm just saying that killing yourself is not also good.
It's actually worst.
Exactly. It takes more courage.
Any other English word is there, then say me, I will also say.
Bad.
Okay. So this was a simple dilemma. I mean, any sensible person could tell this, because I can't kill my brother. I can't kill
Ma'am,
Jack.
but I love my life, no, ma'am. Why I will die?
What else can you do? It's a dilemma.
Simple, I will kill my brother.
You're in a
Just-
situation. You can't do anything else. Except for Anita, who will simply destroy the entire instrument. That is what she said. But you can't help. It's a dilemma.
But
Ma'am,
to
she तो
destroy
exactly
the device, we have to free, no, ma'am. But we are tied with rope.
Ma'am, but if you think like that, if you kill yourself, then you die. Nobody knows about this crime that is happening. If you survive, you go and inform the authorities.
Nobody cares.
अरे एटलीस्ट एक जन तो बच जाएगा ना उससे.
At least when your brother will die, you will care, no, ma'am. You will cry. If you die, then no one care, no, ma'am.
Then your brother will cry?
No, he is a criminal. No, he will be happy because I was going to kill him.
Okay, that was less complex dilemma. Now let's look at a more complex dilemma. Okay. Now it will be really difficult for you to judge. You ready? We'll look at a more complex dilemma.
Yes, ma'am.
But when you're watching the video, watch it very carefully. Think on it for a moment, and then come up like Gurman as to what you have to tell and why. How do you logically justify that?
In the summer of 1884, 4 English sailors were stranded at sea in a lifeboat in the South Atlantic, over 1,000 miles from land. Dudley was the captain, Stevens the first mate, and Brooks a sailor. The 4th member of the crew was the cabin boy, Richard Parker, age 17. The crew had few provisions. For the first 3 days, they ate a can of turnips. On the 4th day, they caught a turtle, which sustained them for a time. But soon they had no food, and for 8 days they ate nothing. By now, Parker, the cabin boy, was lying in the corner of the boat. He had drunk seawater and become ill. On the 19th day, Dudley, the captain, suggested drawing lots to determine who would die so that the others might live. But Brooks refused, and no lots were drawn. The next day, Dudley decided that Parker had to be killed. He offered a prayer, told the boy his time had come, and killed him with a penknife, stabbing him in the jugular vein. For 4 days, the 3 remaining crew members fed on the body and the blood of the cabin boy. Then help came. On the 24th day, a ship rescued the 3 survivors. Upon their return to England, they were arrested and put on trial for murder. Dudley and Stevens confessed that they had killed and eaten Parker, but they claimed they had done so out of necessity. Putting aside the question of law, how do you judge the morality of what they did? Would you say they acted immorally in killing and eating the cabin boy? Or would you say that, all things considered, they did the right thing, sacrificing 1 life in order to save 3?
Think and then tell.
Ma'am, would they have
life in order to save 3?
I think the murder is justified here.
Is it me who is only finding these dilemmas to be very easy, to be not dilemmatic at all?
Really, Meka?
Ma'am.
It's very simple.
I think it is
Yes,
you. It is only you.
like
Why is
here,
it so simple for you?
yes,
Tell
ma'am,
us.
because I have a very clear thought. What would I do? That is why it is very clear for me. Like in the first one, it was very clear because I wouldn't kill myself, I wouldn't kill my family member. So it's option C for me. And here it is how immoral it might be for me. I have many reasons to make it sound moral. And here it is immoral because they could have survived by catching fish, and it's an ocean. They could have dived in and catch a fish. Or
No, Meka, I think you didn't listen to the entire video. When everything was exhausted, turnips, fish, turtle, when they had no other way out, they had to kill someone.
No, it's a ocean, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how
the
could the
boy was
fish
also
eat?
surviving, na, ma'am. He was also lying at a corner. He could have done that. They could have done that too. Because killing somebody and eating that person, it's totally immoral. Like I have my reason very clearly stated, so I would find it very simple.
Either you, all of you get annihilated or you kill someone and eat.
मैम कच्चा कैसे खा सकते हैं?
Arey, ma'am, Jyoti, oh my God. Don't take it very seriously. You just
Okay,
think-
ma'am, another doubt. Ma'am, would they have died if they have not eaten?
Yes. Because they didn't know when help was supposed to come.
Ma'am, can I keep my opinion? Ma'am, due to the captain's mistake, they have got trapped in their boat in the middle of the sea. And in the same time, they killed the brother without his personal opinion. I mean, without his personal approval or something like that. So I think it's both necessity for them to kill that boy and eat him to save their life, as well as it's also a crime, as they have killed a person without his personal approval, or I mean, according to my point of view.
Okay.
It's a crime as well as their necessity. It's somewhat, it's like the platform movie, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
good.
ma'am, I support you. See.
If they would have died, then the police would have arrested him.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My point is that what they done was out of necessity, and for it is a simple math that to protect one life, I mean protect 3 life, they killed one. But there was some doubt that if it would have been with consent, or like the captain or I don't know whom suggested before that they should pick out the ropes and see who should die. That would have been more appropriate. But here, the poor cabin boy didn't know about that. That was only one negative point for him. The rest, it was necessary because to survive, any person would do anything to survive for himself.
Ma'am, I would like to give my views in a modified way. I find it totally immoral because they are lost in the middle of the ocean, and there are four people. Why it has to be that boy only? Why it hasn't? Why it wasn't anybody else from those three?
Ma'am, this time I would like to answer ma'am Mika's question.
वो अधमारा था ना इसलिए.
Actually, ma'am, can I answer ma'am?
नहीं अधमारा था, पूरा ही मार देते हैं, खा लेते हैं तो तीनों बच जाएंगे
Ma'am.
बस.
वो तड़प रहा था.
Ma'am, actually this is a life and death survival scenario, ma'am. Morality plays no part in it, ma'am. Simple thing.
Exactly.
Either you live or either you die. This is the things. And another thing is the boy was getting sick and he was about to die. And that's the exact reason the captain killed him, because he was dying anyway. So they needed to harvest what they could before they end up dying.
In the video itself, it was clearly shown that he drank ocean water and he was falling, else he could die at any moment.
Once a human dies, apart from the vital organs, everything else at least stays alive for a few hours. So if he was dead and then they would have eaten it, that would make a sense. Okay, he had died and then they are eating him. But they killed him. If there was any chance that the next day the ship would come. So here, keeping the morality and everything apart, I would say they should have stood together. That would be more. That would be better, because
But if out of starvation your mind will not work, okay, and you will false hallucination and these things will start. So you will not able to think all these things.
you will
I would like to answer this. That day ma'am was teaching halal concept, and which torture is more bad than sudden death. So that cabin boy was dying. वो तो ऐसे भी मर रहा था, उनको मार दिया तो वो जल्दी मर गया. उसके लिए वो तो अच्छा हुआ ना उनके लिए.
Another way of seeing this is that if they let him die by the disease, his body will degrade more, and eating that body will cause them to die. So having him killed before his body degrades more is more logical.
No one eats dead non-veg. Everyone kill and eat non-veg.
Actually, these situations are unrealistic and stupid. We also know this, but according to this situation, the captain has done the right thing because only that was the only decision they have to take to save their lives.
Ma'am, there are certain situations like this that is in real life and happened in real life, no?
Yes, Sanatan, you tell your views on this. What are your opinions?
Ma'am, obviously to save 3 lives, if that he was already suffering, so if he was put out of his misery, then and also due to that the other 3 managed to survive, then the morality doesn't exist, because ma'am, at that situation everyone would be willing to save their own life rather than thinking of morality.
It is said that we are animals, but we are social animals. Survival is a war. We are fighting that war every day, and we have our certain moral values so that we work together, not ki harm each other. We can just go and kill people and get all the money. We can rob banks. We can do so many things. Morality, there are so many positions where morality cannot exist for survival. Just giving up on your morality is not the scenario here. No, because just think, if that boy, agar theek hai wo mar raha hai, theek hai, fine, but if he hadn't given the consent, ki, okay, you can, I will go, I will stand as a brave person, I will say, oh yes, I will save your life, come kill me and feast on me, then that is a different thing. Then yes, that is the right thing to do. But what if he wasn't agreeing to them? That here you cannot say that morality, this is a survival condition, morality cannot exist there. You have to stand with your moralities, because that what makes you human.
When it comes to life and death scenarios, then Moralists do not
Even right now, you are
make
the
any
risk
sense.
of dying. Kishi, even right now, even this point of time, also you have a risk that you can die at any second. Nobody can
It's not
prevent
final destination.
someone. Pain is there. You know, death is where it was said by your author. I forgot the name.
It's not final destination.
Pain is not, death is not at all painful. It is the procedure of
Unexpected death and when you know that you will die if you don't eat, those two are two different things, right? You don't know when you will die, how you will die. But if you know how
Yes,
you will
yes,
die and when
exactly.
you will die, you will the survival instinct of inside you will kick on. Obviously,
You are
you would
in a
find any ways to survive.
he was in a he was in a boat with people on whom he was whom he was trusting, and you were just looking after yourself like that. Isn't
Okay, you put yourself in that situation
I
and
put
you
myself,
say,
or I would say I would rather die of hunger rather than killing a person against his will. Not in the previous case because there was family, but in this case.
hey, everyone has different opinions. So, hi, Gurman. Camera was on, Gurman's.
He was showing he's happy, smiling.
I am enjoying the debate.
Ma'am, actually now just I searched the this video in YouTube. There was no final answer. I was reading the comments. They all are saying that kill that person, kill that person, kill that person.
The point is, even if you don't have to read others' views, you see, you can also decide for yourself. This is a dilemma. You might face the same problem sometimes in life. Most of the time, we come across dilemmas. The point is, we don't deny that killing them was wrong, because that is what they also admitted this, that they did it out of necessity. They had to survive. So, but the point is, they should not have outrightly gone and killed the boy. They felt that Richard Parker, was the weakest link of them, weakest link, and he could not resist or protest. So they offered a prayer and immediately killed him. The previous day, all of them had decided to draw lots. So they could have acted immorally. They could have acted morally if they had drawn the lots, rather than outrightly killing the boy because he was supposed to be the weakest link. No, because he didn't have a right to protest. He could not. He was sick. I was lying. We don't know. Maybe he could have survived, been rescued. He would have survived. We don't know. But then, since all of them decided to draw lots, they would have gone ahead with that, drawn lots. And
Ma'am, but he was. Ma'am, but he was junior, ma'am, 17 age only, and other three seniors just ma'am ordered him that we will kill you, and he respected the seniors like that situation.
No, they didn't order him also. They simply went, offered a prayer, and killed him. So the problem lies there. That is where the dilemma is. Right.
And then you said the final answer: what to do, what not to do.
See, ultimately you have to decide what to do and what not to do. What I felt was they acted immorally, not because they killed someone and ate it, because it was out of necessity that they had to kill. But the way they killed Richard Parker was wrong. They decided to draw lots, and they should have drawn the lots rather than, and had Richard Parker's name come on the lot, no problem with that. But they didn't. They thought that they were tempted. They thought that Parker is anyway dying, so let's kill him. And that that was immoral. Isn't it? That's what I think. I don't know. Yeah, so anyone else would like to say something on this? No? No one else would like to say anything on this? Yes, Ishi, do that. We also we fear death, right? Death is something, no? Yeah, tomorrow you have quiz. Today you don't have a quiz?
No,
quiz?
ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay. So anything else that you'd like to say? Yes, Gurman?
I was saying that no one is going to say anything now.
So we still have we still have 30 minutes time. I'll leave you 15 minutes before because I have an exam duty. So I'll leave you around 3:45. So we still have 15 minutes. And I can't leave you before that. I can't miss the class. Oh, because you found this dilemma very confusing. Except we are just your thoughts. I guess Mika says it's.
Yes, ma'am, it was easy.
But sometimes the dilemmas are really tough, Mika.
I would face only dilemma when it will come to people I care about the most and if I have to choose between them. Rest, I have my priorities sorted in a very good manner.
Simple thing, we are going to be engineers, so we'll sit in AC room. Then no sea is going to come, no boat is going to come, no one are going to die. Chill.
Imagine you are traveling somewhere and the plane crashes in the middle of a strange island with strange things
Then I will
happening.
be happy because I will come on news that he died. The most famous
As
person
dead
died
person.
in a plane crash.
Yes, Ishi, even if you're engineers sitting in AC rooms, at times you have to face dilemmas, which could be tougher than these hypothetical situations.
So zombie attack.
So, really, what do you do then?
मैम जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Just live the present now.
Yeah, we are all living in the present, but we must know that these dilemmas exist.
Yes, ma'am.
And so we can always feed mangoes to our pets.
Obstacles will go and come.
Yes, they will.
He is gaining knowledge by his samadhi.
Yes.
Yeah, someone rightly texted that you must watch Mahabharata, especially the episodes where Krishna is Krishna is discoursing on Bhagavad Gita. So there's a lot of dilemma that Arjun faces, isn't it? Arjun is facing a lot of dilemma. So it's clarifying those dilemmas.
I'm thinking to start a spiritual class.
You're going to join?
No, I will give knowledge to students.
I feel bad for them.
I think Ishi, you and your pets, all of them are so
Yes,
spiritual.
ma'am. And by my side, my dog will be there. He'll be
Yes.
sitting in samadhi.
Yes,
I mean,
because
mudras. He will be teaching mudras.
So Aaj, you are Dharmaraj.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. I'm John. I'm Johnny Wick.
Who are you? John Wick, he said. The guy with a pencil.
Johnny Wick.
Enlightened souls. Huh? Okay, so we have to admit that dilemmas exist.
Ma'am, just out of curiosity, and hopefully I do not cross any personal boundaries, what is the most difficult dilemma you have faced? I'm honest.
Teaching our section.
Your section is a very playful and spirited section. Not that Mika, but I seriously admire you when you said that I have my priorities sorted in my life. Because if you know Shakespeare's drama Hamlet, you know he's written many dramas, and of this Hamlet is one of the famous dramas. Hamlet is a character; he's a prince, and he's always facing a problem of problem dilemma, to be or not to be. That is associated with Hamlet's problem, to be or not to be. So he's always in this dilemma, and probably I believe I'm like Hamlet. I'm always in a dilemma for everything.
That one now where his father is killed by the mother.
Yes. His father is murdered by his brother.
Yes.
His wife.
Okay.
So, and Hamlet comes to know about this later. And then he's in a continuous dilemma whether to kill his uncle and his brother or not. He does kill, but ultimately he's also killed. So that's the Hamlet's dilemma, and I'm continuously, I'm a constant. I'm a person with Hamlet's problem. So I like it when you said I'm sorted.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
People are sorted,
That was a heavy word to use, but
that's a good thing, You must be sorted. You must know what your priorities are. But many times there are situations. I find this dilemma so very difficult. These not only ethical or moral dilemmas, but all kind of choices. When you have to make a choice, it becomes really difficult initially. So I'm not a sorted person like you, I must admit.
Ma'am, what are the benefits of a sorted person?
Please ask Mihika Ishi. I'm not the right person to tell because I'm not
Yes,
sorted.
Mihika, answer.
I am already dilemma.
it is focus. You can never lose your focus if you are sorted.
This is not going to
You know what you have to do. You have taken a decision already. You have decided, I'm going to do this, and you stick to the decision.
Yes.
Even if it's wrong, right?
Then
you
this
stick
is
to
never
that.
going to happen again.
Means you do not visit like I will do this, I will not do this, I will do this, I will not do this. You do not waste your time like, okay, why did I do that? I could have done that.
जो
That
प्रजा
is
चाहते हैं मैं वही करता हूँ.
you are great, Ishi.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Not only is she, his pet dog is also. You must admire his dog.
Yes, ma'am, cheetah.
Why don't you put his? Put Cheetah's picture in the display sometimes. We'd like to see the spiritual dog, Dhamraj, and his dog. It's fantastic. So,
I will buy another dog and I will put his name Cheetah.
why? What happened to this dog?
This one, ma'am.
Constant compare.
Ma'am, he needs another friend, ma'am. He is so lonely in the house.
You are his friend, no? Is she?
But I am not dog, no, ma'am.
Who said
I
that?
don't have 4 legs, ma'am. I cannot jump like him.
You have, but you don't know.
You don't talk.
Sanatan, what are you doing? This is the right time to compliment your friend. They are always complimenting
Yes, ma'am.
you.
I'm complimenting. Yes, ma'am.
Please do, please do. They are always bullying you. At time.
Nathan have his garage, his bikes. He's a busy person every time washing his bikes and these all things.
Sanatan is a gentle soul, I guess. He doesn't
Yes,
want.
ma'am. Very gentleman. Ma'am, if you slap him,
Very
in one,
gentleman. I haven't seen gentlemen like
Really?
Sanat.
it's a Manisha's favorite person, Sanatan.
If Anisha
Yes,
is then
Sanatan gentle, Anisha gentle. Gentle plus gentle is equal to gentle.
की calculation.
yes, so Sanatan is a very gentle man. He doesn't want to bully and hurt his friends.
Yes, ma'am. Srinath wants to become like Sanatan. Competition between Sanatan and Srinath.
हम आ रहे पहले so
Okay.
Yes, Anisha, you were saying something?
What about?
Nathan.
Yes, Gurman.
Actually, Ishi and all the group is trying to make Nathan and Anisha one.
Yeah, he already told he will start his matrimonial site. And I'm
Yes,
the
yes,
constant
correct.
girl. Right, yeah.
No, I will start everything, my kingdom, and then my matrimonial side, everything. I will become Yudhishthir, and I will also become that matrimonial side.
Why is
that,
she only
forum.
Anisha?
What, ma'am?
Why only Anisha?
No, randomly, ma'am. Actually, other girls
Randomly?
actually.
I'm
Guys,
his best friend, ma'am. So-
No, actually,
actually,
one was
she likes Anisha.
Sai Sri also there, and I
very good Sanatan,
He's also-
very good.
Yeah.
ma'am, randomly I used to tease ma'am, just like that, just for fun. Ma'am.
Random love.
But Saishri is
Ah,
just for you, na Ishi.
What? Kuch bhi. No, ma'am, the same thing. So I also do in my college. 12th and my 10th. You can ask to. What's Jonathan? I will make you talk to my friends. Then only will get to know about all these things.
Oh, bhai.
So she likes Sai Sri. Very good. Okay.
No, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
a lot.
No, ma'am. Anisha
I
validates
think so.
Trust her.
What, ma'am?
So, I trust Anisha. If she validates, then
What,
yes.
ma'am? You are not trusting me. You are trusting to Anisha. Why, ma'am?
So please, you know,
Blushing na, blushing.
There is no secret.
anyways, good luck. That's good thing. Yeah. So you, Dhanraj is fighting his own battles. Yeah. Now, if you start provoking Ishi, Srinath, then he's not going to leave you also.
Okay,
So
call to
don't
Sai Sri.
provoke.
Anisha, call to Sai Sri. Call.
Start la.
No, Shivam, no translator available, so.
Guru.
इसी साइड कैलकुलेशन कर ले मुझे नाड़ा बोला हूँ
Not to break anybody's heart, कल 5:30 बजे हमारा क्विज है.
हाँ.
और 5 मार्क के लिए क्या कुछ
5 marks?
5 मार्क दी
15.
10 marks.
It is 15 or 10 or 5.
10.
Oh.
very good name
Oh my God. So there are a lot of. That's good thing, Ishi. Congratulations.
Can we play this class on our last year of college? Like we will see these memories and we will be like, wow, people change so rapidly.
Exactly.
Nishikant, Ishi is not getting married. Don't worry. I mean, don't jump to conclusion. Ishi is just enjoying his life right now.
Ma'am, we want free food. That's why we are jumping to conclusions.
Free food? Ishi is a very benevolent soul. He's very generous. He feeds street dogs, so he can feed anyone, I guess. What say, Ishi?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
his friends want a treat. So you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
always give them
I'll give it.
Yeah, always give you a treat.
Data बहुत
That you don't have to marry him off. Don't worry. Don't marry him off. He'll anyway give you a treat on his birthday. On
And
his
we are giving him ideas.
Yeah, on his birthday, his dog's birthday, his girlfriend's birthday, every birthday. Treat. Don't worry. And तो भूखे बैठो निशिकांत. You just stay hungry for a long time. Anyways, I think, guys, if you'd like to discuss something in the class, you can stay back. But I think I should leave now. Still have 1 minute. So in the next class, Anisha, Deep, please ensure that your friends come up with the topics. Anisha, are you also noting down the topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Ask all of them to next lab, yes, to give their topics because it's compulsory. It's a must. Every one of them have to speak, have delivered the speech. So we will continue with the speech and with the topic, the introductory note on speech, respective speech, the picture interpretation. Has it done that?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first thing is, please put this in your group that speech is compulsory and everyone has to deliver the speech. So in the next class, all of them have to come up. Those who have not, I mean, Anisha told me that 29 of them have spoken today, have given their speech. So the rest of them have to give their speech topics and the introductory talk about their speech next class. And has everyone completed the picture interpretation?
No, ma'am.
So tell them to do that as well in the next lab. In the next lab, yes. The rest who would like to do the picture interpretation will do it. We'll first finish off the speech topic and then go with the picture interpretation. Please tell that this is compulsory. The speech one is compulsory. So they'll have to do this. Why holiday? What for? I think.
Ma'am, will there be any theory class?
Yes. What is your timing? Which timing? It's 5 to 5:30, no?
5:30 to 6, I guess.
Yes, so the timings are so apt. By 4, you complete your classes. And then you get 1 hour for refreshment and tea, coffee. And then you come back for the quiz. Why do you have to suspend the entire day? You're going to read through the entire day. You need 3 hours.
डेटा खत्म हो जाता है ना, वो दिक्कत है.
Oh. Can have a Wi-Fi, no? Wi-Fi, no?
Yes, ma'am, that's the alternate solution only.
Yeah, they have to work with Wi-Fi since they're all home, so. For 5 months, what's the
2 GB data is being used up all every day. In my case.
What, the Wi-Fi?
No, ma'am. Mobile data. 2 GB gets used up.
Yeah, but I thought that you might use Wi-Fi.
No, ma'am. We totally rely on this mobile data, Geo network.
Okay, so maybe you can just recharge some top up for that. I don't know what they're going to do, but I think they will have the classes and then. Pata hai, like that's why you are studying in ITR. गरीब हो ना इसलिए ITR में पढ़ते. All गरीब student अड्डा है ITR. Sure. We not got any notification suspended. So, I don't know. College कब खुलेगा? I don't know, Anisha. Our government has extended the lockdown to 17th.
Not in this year. We will do farewell online only.
सीधा कॉलेज आना, डिग्री पकड़ के घर जाना. 4 साल बाद.
डिग्री भी PDF में भेज देंगे.
डाउनलोड करके प्रिंट निकाल लेना, खत्म.
आलेख डाउनलोड करके प्रिंट करने के लिए. Let's hope things get better. I mean, all of you have to be vaccinated first.
Done.
All of you are vaccinated?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not even a single vaccination center in Delhi.
I'm waiting for Sputnik V.
I'm still not getting any slots.
Yes.
मेरा यहाँ तो पूरा खत्म ही है, स्लॉट.
I am waiting for my second dose.
For vaccine?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys are waiting for your
Yes,
slot. In Delhi, there is no vaccination center.
Congratulations.
You have a great chief minister, actually, Anisha.
Yes, ma'am. Great. And Pradivic's favorite man.
Overpopulation.
कौन है वो, कौन है, कहाँ से आया?
Keजरीwal female version.
और करो overpopulation.
अरे मैंने किया है क्या ओवर पॉपुलेशन?
मैंने तो नहीं बोला. मंदिर में कौन है ना, मैंने नहीं खाया.
मुझे क्या बोल रहा है?
मैंने बोला overpopulation. तुम खुद पे क्यों ले गई?
My mother and father. My like, and then you said कि और कुछ overpopulation.
अरे प्रभाविक कहाँ है?
Alek, where are you from? Where do you stay? In
अरे भाई.
No, Alek, you need to stop this. You can't present it. Where are you from, Alek? From Bhubaneswar?
मेरा कोई ठिकाना नहीं, इधर उधर भटकते रहता हूँ.
अभी लॉकडाउन.
Alek is from
वो
India.
रास्ते में.
He is from India.
We are from India. All Indians are my brother and sister.
Ah, you're a KBM or
In my school, they said कि all Indians are my brother, but not sister, in front of our mouth.
In our school, we said that all Indians are brother and their sister.
Okay. So have fun. I must take a leave. Thank you all. I'll see you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.